price pushed down here all the way down to this level, and then we get some dramatic shift to the upside, and then we have ultra high volume. You see delta negative 1,500, and negative delta does not necessarily mean that we are going to push down. No. I'll give you an example. Look at this. One second, let me draw a horizontal line here. If you look at these properties, let me put it as I may not use blue. Let me use a different shade here. Maybe black, a darker shade of color, maybe like that, and then width. Let me make it a bit big so that you see. Yes, now this is more clearer. Now, if I zoom out a little bit, you will see something here. That intraday, as at this particular day, this was our day's low. Okay, this was our day's low. Maybe you can maybe put it at that level right there. Now, this is what happens. Let me now zoom in. When I say we look inside the bars with order flow, this is exactly what I mean. You look at the levels, you identify your levels, and all you're looking for is those levels to be violated or to be breached for you to take a trade. Because you cannot trade just haphazard. You cannot just scalp the market at any given price level. No, you have to wait until you get the market coming to the levels that you really want to do. Because if you trade every single setup that you see on your chart, there will be a problem, because you're going to get chopped out. You're going to get signals that are not going to be very, very, very good quality signals. Now, when the market comes down here, because of whatever reason, I took a short here, of course, just like everybody else, a breakout kind of a straight trade, and I got 6 pips here. Why? Because you see lows of the day broken, and then you see massive volume here. Look at this, and this is why I'm actually zooming this out for you. Let me make it big. Go 1 second. There. As soon as we break out this level, you see so many sell stops, orders to go short getting triggered. You see massive volume here. Now, this is very, very important to know that this could be orders to short. This could be stop losses getting hit for guys who are buying intraday, because remember, this is the low of the day. Now, where we appreciate VSA because it comes and shows you where the action is, because you can see inside the candle. 5-minute candle pushes down, follow through. This is follow through volume, and then you see massive volume influx right here. This is an imbalance right here, and then you can see price pushes to some certain level, maybe 30 pips lower, and then for some reason it gets marked up. Now this triangle is going to show up because of the pullback and because of this massive volume, which we call it ultra high volume. Now, when I see this triangle, I wait for my VSA confirmation. So if it plays out, then we're going to get a confirmation at the close of the candle or during the candle formation before it closes. Depends when you're real time. So I get this candle, and on the open of this candle, I pick my buy right here for that nice pullback to the upside. And what propels me to hold on to this trade is because VPOC, as you can see, volume point of control, VPOC is this little box that is in black. For an uptrend, we say VPOC shifts higher for an uptrend. You can see, as long as it keeps shifting up, I am in the trade. See, next sell up to this level, whereby we get again VSA setup, more than 50% pullback. Price closes below the middle range of this bar. As you can see, it reaches out to this level. Volume is aggregated at this level, and then price doesn't close here. Why doesn't price close here? There has to be a reason. So it gets pulled back. This is what we call a markdown, and this is like something very, very, very powerful. So since I have 232 contracts or 232 lots trading up here, and they're trapped, if you really want to know who is trapped, then you shift to the delta footprint. And you see, this is the buyers. These are buyers buying too late into the move. You see positive delta of 82. sorry, 86. Now, when you see that, then the system is going to, you're going to have to wait for a series of, a few confirmations for it to see another maybe different kind of situations whereby the delta has to be negative. Delta at price. So we get a 50% pullback. I will not sell into this bar because we still have meaningful delta. Look at the delta at time is 273, which is quite high compared to 281. It's quite high. So I'm not going to push my luck and say I'm going to buy here. I'll wait for the system to actually confirm to me that, hey, because this is coded, I'm going to wait until it really confirms price action and VSA. So it did that right here. And you see, when it did that, we had delta exactly where I wanted. Look at the delta down here is negative delta. So I don't want to sell a bar that has positive delta, regardless of how much it means, giving me a clear-cut signal that there's markdown, and there's absorption here for some reason, trapped buyers. I'm not going to pick into this particular trade. I will be patient. I'll wait for the signal. It came right here, this bar. So I pick my trade on the close of this bar. I go short here. Small drawdown here, about 6 or 7 pips. And then the market plummets all the way down. So I'll probably exit with a 15 pips, take profit right about this level, maybe. It is recommended you have a fixed take profit of 10 or 15 pips. Don't push your luck because the market can actually whipsaw you and actually get you stopped out at break even when the market is as volatile as we know. So you have to really be prudent and ensure that don't wait for the opposite. What I'm saying, don't wait for the opposite signal.